How to set A4 size in MS PowerPoint. Hey everyone, watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, go ahead to Microsoft search bar at bottom left corner of the screen. Windows search bar. Now you need to type in Microsoft PowerPoint and it will appear on your screen. Simply click open to get access on the section. Afterwards, you need to simply head towards Design tab at top left corner of the screen. Head towards Slide Size at top right corner. Choose Custom Slide Size. And you need to locate the option for Slide Size first. Click on this drop down and then select A4 paper, which is 210 into 297 mm, and then click on OK button. You can simply choose the width, height and number as well. You can simply choose the orientations and notes, handout and outline as well. After that, you'll be asked whether you want to choose maximize or ensure fit. For now, let us choose maximize and then click OK to save the changes. In this way, you can successfully set A4 size in MS PowerPoint. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.